Hello. Welcome to my channel, Haroon Zubaidi. Today I'm going to show you how to get a cycle features in old iPhone from X to iPhone 14 series. In the settings battery you can see here I have the old interface. Maximum capacity and performance capability old interface. Here I am using iPhone 14 Pro, so I will show you on this device. Let's go ahead. Now we will go to Nugget application to customize our iPhone. Those who don't know how to install Nugget application on Windows, I have already make a video on it. You can go and check my previous video. Connect your device with a cable and refresh your Nugget application. Once the device is connected, go to Mobile Gestalt and select Enable Charging Limit. And also select Enable iPhone 16 settings. And go to Apply. Select Choose Gestalt File and add file from Download Gestalt File. Go to Eligibility, select Enable the Apple Intelligence and click on Original. Select the device name iPhone 16 Pro Max and go to Apply and click on Apply Changes. Once you apply, the phone will get reboot. The settings will be applied once get reboot. Now it's on. Here you can see virtual intelligence with camera control iPhone 14 Pro. Here you can see I don't have any camera control button. But still I got the features of iPhone 16. In the settings, you can see here in the battery section. Before I was having some different interface, but now I am having battery health, normal charging and cycle count as. In the charging limit, you can see we can adjust how much % you want to charge. If you're facing issue with Face ID now, don't worry, I will make a video on that. This issue is like a temporary, like if you remove Apple Intelligence it will come back Face ID, and also I just tried to make a video work with Apple Intelligence. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and like and share my videos.